today's event, we are going to see how to lock the latch hook manually on a Boeing 767 freighter in case of the latch hook electrical function is inoperative. Before that, make sure the travel ranges are clear. This is the lower cargo forward door. Firstly, operate the door electrically until the door closes and the latch hook actuator does not operate. Put a 3/8-inch drive speed handle in the manual drive socket of the latch hook actuator. Turn the speed wrench counterclockwise approximately 115 turns until you can feel or hear the clutch slippage of the latch hook actuator. After approximately the end of 115 turns, the door close light illuminates at the panel and green alignment stripes aligns. This confirms doors have been closed and locked. Finally, close the latch hook handle to the locked position. The pressure relief doors move to the closed position when you move the latch lock handle.